Hey guys, Minerva here. I got some happy mail from Sonia de Jesus. Yay! And just wanted to show you, let me put the camera down. Apparently, it got wet or something. The mailman just gave it to me, and it was like this. For the record, he says there's humidity in there, and yeah, right. It got wet somehow. Anyway, it seems like it's, nothing came out of there, and we'll see. So thanks, Sonia. I wasn't expecting anything today. And let me get in here. Really appreciate it, and I don't want to turn it on the other side because it's got the address there, and let me see if I can open it this way. Wow. Really? I don't know if I should. Oh, I already recorded that it was wet, so. You're supposed to probably open it the other way, but I hope I don't break anything. Okay. Let's see if I'm on camera here. Oops. What's wrong? Okay. So this is probably the bottom of the box. Whoa. Oh yeah. Look at that. See if I can get this back open. I've got some beads, glass beads in pink. Nice for my shabby projects. I've got one of these fairy balls. I've seen they use these on the purses. I can hang this on my purse. Wood shapes, great. They're cute. Trim. Love trims. So pretty. Hope I'm speaking loud enough. I'm looking down. I have some bows. Wow. I was planning on making some cushions today, but didn't have the energy. Oh, look at these. So cute, poinsettias. And I have some butterflies. Butterfly petals. Cute. Shabbylicious. Look at this. Stickers. Wedding day stickers. And sticky notes. I am planning on printing out a planner with the Cricut has planners you can print out. I think I'm gonna start that way. Wow, this is cute. So cute. Just let me get my glue gun out of the way. I see a stamp and symbol, Songs of Spring. There's something in this envelope. What would you do if you weren't afraid? Nice. Don't follow your dreams, chase them. That's right, hope. These are nice. Light as a feather. Explore, seek, and find, search, listen, soar. Look at this. Wow, these are so pretty. So soft. Nice paper. Look at this. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, look at this teapot. Love it. Wow. These are beautiful. I love them. Look at this sewing machine. Oh. Look at that. So pretty. Thank you, Sonia. These are beautiful. I'm gonna put them to use. Because I use them on fabric projects. I can laminate them. Here's a heart. This is metal heart. It's pretty ornament. Oh, it's got the little tie. So many things in here, Sonia. Embellishments. Wow, it's getting dark. It's not even 2 o'clock. Looks like it's gonna pour. Oh, glitter stickers. And some paper. Oh my god. How much, yeah. She has a lot of paper. But let me see if I can. I just did it. There. Love the flowers. Ooh, I like these. Isn't that pretty? Oh my god. I'm gonna lock myself in my craft room for a week so I can play with all this. put this over here. I have another stamp. Mustache. I thought it was all together. Oh, I love keys. Key, mustache, and eyeglasses. I don't have these. And I see some, I use these with my, whatchamacallit, clay. Wow, it's a set for a flower. Lisa Pavelka. I've seen this name somewhere. Let's see if it says anything about clay. I think I've seen her name in the clay. Anyway, it's got a picture here. You can make a complete flower with these cutting things. And this one makes a, what is that? Oh, embossing cutters. But there's a face. Leaves, 2 leaves. Nice. I haven't played with clay in a while. And she wrapped all these things here. Wow. This is gonna be my best Christmas present, Sonia. Thank you. Thanks a lot for remembering me. Aww. What are these? Whack-a-Pack surprise greetings. And self-inflating balloons. Wow. Never seen these. Self-inflating balloons. Birthdays. And these are for Valentine's Day. Whack-a-Pack. That's cute. Balloon inflates before your eyes. What's this? Oh, birthday. Well, yeah, my birthday is in February, so I'll get to open them soon. If my curiosity doesn't. I'll probably open one before February. Washi tape. Oh. This one has butterflies and flowers and rainbows, umbrellas, clouds. Nice. Okay, so here I can see there's a moisture here. So this here got wet. I don't know how. Luckily, this got wet. But what's in it didn't get damaged. Poster borders. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of here before they absorb the moisture. Okay. This one here got a little wet, but it's okay. You make borders, and they have sticky back. I think I'm out of focus here. I'm gonna leave this out. On my shoulder. A journal. Oh, it's a journal. I'm gonna have to. Look at this, was wrapped in plastic. Nice. I always have a journal within reach when I'm gonna leave this one here. Guys, I take notes while I'm in the internet, watching videos or whatever I'm doing. I take notes. This is spray ink, recollections, pastels. Well, I've never used these before. It's a nice color. I haven't seen those here. Oh my God. Send me some washi. Gold. I have silver. Now I have gold. Nice. Baby booties. Oh, I remember she showed these once. For my babies. Oh, cute. Look at this. Isn't that cute? These are for my dolls. And brown, pink, and oh, look at the fox. Cute. She even sent stuff for my babies. Well, took the time to wrap all this. Oh look, self-adhesive stencil. Don't have this one. I don't have this one either. Wow. Ooh, I like this. Believe, celebrate, welcome. This one's pretty. Oh, clean rubber stamps. Oh, and it has a die. Nice. Oh, look. Christmas tree. Oh, I love these trucks. Oh. It's got the stamp, the dies. That's the first car I bought when I got out of the army, and we still have it. It's an 89 Mazda pickup truck. Shape swarms. Ooh. This is weird. You put them together to make a die cut. Connect the pieces to design your own die. Wow. Never seen that before. Stickers, buttons. Kept asking, why did you buy a pickup truck? Because it was weird for them, but we still have that truck, an 89 Mazda. Because I told him I like to carry stuff. If I see furniture on the curb that's good or that I can fix, I'll just haul it. If I buy something, I don't want to be waiting for them to deliver it. Anyway, I had a very old one when I lived in Georgia. And I like pickup trucks. Stickers. Nice. Let me see what's... why my phone is... okay. Pretty stickers. I like these. You can use them to line or border. Wow. Oh my god, you sent me so many. Look at these. These are like, it's like washi, but, you know, it's almost like washi, I would say. Do-it-yourself projects. Oh, owls. Wow. Oh my god. I'm running out of space here, huh? And some more stuff. Ooh, sticky back canvas. You know, I was just thinking today of making a shabby chic canvas. Wow. Self-adhesive backing. Letter size canvas. Embellishments for paper, fabric, canvas. You can cut it up. Just decorate, cut, and stick. Oh, I see. I'm looking at the cardboard behind it. But this is what it is. Oh, look. You know what? Maybe I can print on this with the inkjet. Oh, I'm gonna try that. It's nice, 70, oh my god, more paper. You know, I'm glad you put it in this bag. Judging by the way this got wet. Wow. I'm still wondering if that package I sent you, if anything spilled in there. I've always wondered about that. What was I doing the other day? I was cutting something. I don't remember what it was. Look at this. It's so pretty. They like shimmer. Yeah. It's got shimmer to it. Oh, you're not. You're not even. I can use this to cover those images she sent. I forgot what they call this. Look at this. This is the one I was saying. It's like pearl paper. Pearlized. Oh my lord! Look at. Oh, this is Graphic 45. What? This is pretty. Let's see what this one is. Unique. No. La Romantique collection. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's a bride. Wow, look at that. Shabby chic. Pretty. Let me just put this on the bottom here. Now this is one of those overlays. Can't think. I know what it is, but I can't remember. I know they're used for overlays. Wow. Look at cameras. Oh. Okay, my monitor was very dark. Oh. I've got these upside down. Clockworks. My sinus. Look at this, has glitter. And a little, I think it's Precious Moments. This one is embossed. Look at this one. Oh. Can cut these out. Look at the owls. Haven't done a junk journal. Look at this. Love this. Vintage Voyage. Oh, pretty. The doilies. Paper doilies. Wonder if she cut these. She's got one of those scan and cuts. Look at this. Some alpha cutouts, and this is trying to read backwards, and I can't. Feminine Heart. Sweet Dreams. Teen Punk. Steampunk. That's what I was trying to remember when I saw those watches. Steampunk. Oh, I like these. Look at Snow Village. Joy to the World. You know what? I can use this for my my little house. I still have to make one of the houses. Here comes hubby. I'm gonna have to wait for dinner. Ooh, this is nice. Looks grungy. Oh, I like these for the house too. Owl, foxes. Look at Under the Same Roof. The girls. Make two journals. One for the dolls and one for one shabby chic journal. I know, I'm going through these papers one by one. Oh, this is embroidered paper. These butterflies are sewn. Wow. The moon, some more of that. God, I can't remember what this is called. Yay. Melted Hollow Christmas. Oh, this is pretty. See it? Vacation. I'm gonna have to separate these Christmas papers. Oh, that's a nice color. Travel. Mary Had a Little Lamb. Bedtime Story. I have a great Mother Goose collection. Graphic 45. I have a Graphic 45 paper for like babies. I can mix it with this. Make a journal. Oh, look how cute. Something wicked this way comes. Wow, look at this. Gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Dr. Seuss. I see a journal coming. Haven't made a journal in a while. Oh my lordy, 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 look at this. Oh. This is so pretty. What's it? Birdsong collection. Shanghai Girls. Oh, I love this. Look at that. I have some bags. A Proper Gentleman. Look how pretty. Oh, look at this one, Nutcracker. Look at the other side, it's so pretty. Alpha. Oh, another one of these overlays. Look at it. Only said here, I'm dying to remember that word and I can't. This looks so much like you know, something grungy. Oh, I like this. Steampunk Debutante collection. Oh, this one comes apart. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Hello, Sonia. It's a lot of paper. Beautiful paper. Oh, look at this. This is pretty. This is like embossed ballerinas. This is called Nutcracker. Cutouts. The Magic of Oz. February, my month. Pretty. Oh, May, February, May, June. Place and time. July. Cutouts. This has to do with pictures, cameras. Look at this paper. I love this paper. I used white paper for my cards. Texture paper. Ooh, bling, bling, bling. Wow. It's very thick. See the bling? Oh. Fairy tale. Oh my god, this is so pretty. What's this thing? An Fairy Tale collection. Wow. Painting cats and dogs. Oh, so cute. Look at that one.
Hello.
Hi.
Buenas.
Mira, esto me mandó Sonia. Y todo esto. Y mira la caja como llegó. ¿Dónde está la caja?
Mira aquí.
Me mojó. Anyway.
Creo que se viró en Estados Unidos. Un libro que se viró.
Ah, sí.
Sí.
Ah, a lo mejor fue eso.
Pues más seguro. Que decían que los paquetes iban a llegar, pero estaban programados.
Ah, pues. A lo mejor había nevado.
El patinó y se viró.
Mm.
Y todos los paquetes se salieron.
Hmm. Le Paris Curtain Call Collection. I think I love this pearl paper. Oh, here's the wedding one. I think I'm back. Let me see. I was gonna use that plastic to know where I started. Ooh, look at the back of this paper. Is this the back of... Yeah. Wow. Well, maybe this is the front. Yeah, okay. Wow. These are beautiful papers, Sonia. Look at this. Oof. I'm gonna try not to hoard. I'm gonna try to use it. Use it or lose it. Look at this. I was looking at, I was gonna make a project the other day and it called for pearlized paper. I think this is what pearlized paper looks like. Pearl paper by Cricut, but I didn't have any. Doesn't say. Blue floral. It is beautiful though. Look at that sheen. Sonia, thanks so much. Wow. Really. Thanks a lot. I'm speechless. All I can say is thank you. And I know today's the 20th. I hope all goes well. I think your operation is today. And I really appreciate all this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these to celebrate. Thanks a lot, Sonia. Bye.